Welcome to another video with www.flatroofwaterproofing.co.za. Today in Glenhazel we're looking at how to waterproof flat roofs. You can see the bitumen has gone down for the first coat. The geyser has been lifted. The valve that was leaking has been replaced. We have put an outlet in through the wall, as you can see there, such that the waterproofing goes all the way through the outlet and the water drips off the waterproofing. The reason it's come out at such an aggressive angle is because there's a window here and we need to install a rain box with the downpipe. Coming back to the flat roof waterproofing, we've taken the waterproofing up to the gut on this side where the roof tiles exit onto the top of the parapet wall. We've put polypropylene membrane saturated with the resin, such that the water can't go back underneath the roof tiles and back into the house. The roof waterproofing is now being primed with the sealer. The sealer stops the bleed through of the bitumen such that we can paint it. There are several sealers that go in place. So this is the first low viscosity sealer. As you can see, it's been airless sprayed on into position. Again, waterproofed between the roof tiles and the parapet wall. The roof tiles are a bit of a mess. This is a very old system. As you can see the sagging. If you look across the top of this roof, this house is pushing many years, close to 50. And these tiles are redundant, so how do we get these roof tiles? We go to the second-hand shops. There's a number of them around where the builders strip houses and we can get second-hand roof tiles. You can see the previous guys, they've closed up the gaps between the tiles because when the roof sags, it obviously misaligns the tiles, and we actually need to lift these roofs and put under tile membrane in place, and then the support wood that goes back would then be aligned to leave the roof crisp and straight. This is a progress. We're doing phase 1 at the moment and we'll follow that on further videos. Coming back to the flat roof, you can see the bitumen has gone down with 110mm overlaps. We like the overlaps to be very aggressive so that there's no chance of water leaking in between. You can see where the pipes come out the wall. We've done our first flange of waterproofing. There will be a second and third to go into place. And here again, similarly like the other side, we'll be putting a membrane to bridge the gap between the tile and the top of the parapet wall. If you would like your roof to perform like this, reach out and we'll do a quote. These roofs never need redoing. They're done for life. That's basically because we paint them white, which stops the expansion and contraction. The white has 3 factors. Well, number 1, it stops the heat being transferred into the concrete underneath the bitumen, and that heat being transferred into the house. This is more noticeable on single-story flat roof houses where you would need several air conditioning units. Here we use the white paint to stop the slab expanding and contracting and cracking the exterior walls, but primarily it's used here to stop the bitumen aging. We maintain the white coat every 2 years. The silver coat, according to SABS, needs to be overcoated every 18 months, so you get a few extra months out of the white coating. And then of course you never need to replace it, whereas a bitumen system would need to be replaced at year 10 because that silver coating sits at around 60 degrees in the midday summer sun. You can see the reminiscence of it here. Make it a great day and follow some further videos.